video we learned that how microorganisms are helpful in making medicine. Now in this video let us learn how they maintain our environment, how they keep our environment clean. Microorganism, how they keep our environment clean. Anytime have you thought what will happen when an animal dies or a plant dies, or what happens to the dead bodies of man, right? So now like in a big forest, so many animals will die, so many plants will die. Well, do you think they will remain as it is? No, right? Even if at all we talk about the large seas and ocean, several animals in the sea and ocean, they also die. What happened to their dead body? Will they remain as it is? No, they don't remain as it is. So what happened to their dead bodies? Their dead bodies will be decomposed. The dead bodies of all the plants, animals and human beings will be decomposed. The dead plants, the dead bodies of plants and animals, will get decomposed. Decomposed means what? They will be broken down, right? The entire animal body or plant body or human body, they will be broken down and they will be returning the nutrients that are present in the body to the soil, right? So here the dead bodies of plants and animals will get decomposed. How it gets decomposed? It gets decomposed by, it gets decomposed or it gets decayed and decomposed by the action of microorganism, microbes or microorganism. The bacteria and fungi, we know that most of the fungi are saprotrophs. Most of the fungi are saprotroph or saprophytic. Why? What is saprophytic means? Saprophytic means or saprotrophs are the organism which derive their nutrition from the dead and decaying organic matter of plants and animals. From the dead and decaying plants and animals body, they derive their nutrition. When we are taking the nutrition from the dead plants and animals, at the same time we are keeping our environment clean. Imagine if the microbes were not there. Imagine bacteria and fungi were not there. Then the entire world will be filled with only dead plants and animals. So we should be very thankful to the microorganism which will help in keeping the environment clean. For instance, we have an aquarium at home, right? So every now and then we clean the aquarium. Why we clean the aquarium? Because we don't find the decomposer, we don't find the microbe to keep the aquarium clean. But when it comes to sea and ocean, right, we don't have to clean sea and ocean from the dead bodies, like the dead bodies which are lying in the sea and ocean. The decomposer, the microorganism, they themselves will keep the sea and ocean clean. So that's how they keep the environment clean. So our world is clean. It's because of the microorganism that is here decomposer, bacteria and fungi. Bacteria and fungi are the decomposer. They are the decomposer. They help in keeping the environment clean. You can also conduct or carry out an experiment. Just take some vegetable waste and put it in a pot, cover it with the mud Okay, and keep watering for few days. After few days you can see that the vegetable waste have disappeared. Where it has disappeared, it has been acted upon by the decomposer, and because of that the nutrients that are present in the animal and plant body, it is returned to the soil, and from the soil the plants will make use of the nutrients. So this is how the microorganism will keep the environment clean. Then I told you the microorganism also help in maintaining the fertility of the soil. Microorganism help in maintaining the soil fertility. Soil fertility. How they will maintain the fertility of the soil? So it is simple. That is, there is one special microbe. You have learnt it in 7th standard. This microbe is present in the root nodules of the leguminous plants, right? What is that bacterium called? Rhizobium. We have a bacterium called rhizobium. The rhizobium is present in the root nodules. Root nodules of leguminous plants. The plants need various nutrients. The plants require various nutrients. That is, whenever we talk about plants, crops, that is wheat, rice, ragi. So the crop plant or any plant in general, they need various nutrients. Among those nutrients, nitrogen plays an important role for the growth of the plant. Plants need nitrogen. But this nitrogen, plants cannot make use of it. Nitrogen, 78% of our atmosphere is made up of nitrogen. But this nitrogen cannot be utilized by the plants. It has to be converted into nitrates or nitrogenous compound. Okay. So they need nitrogen. So here, in case of this microbe, rhizobium, the rhizobium will help in converting the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate that will be utilized by the plants. So thereby they help in making the soil fertile. So now we learned in these videos that how microbes are helpful to us. So we learn they are required for us to make bread and curd. They also have a commercial use. That is, they are used in making alcohol, wine, and they also used for making acetic acid. And yeast is a very good source of vitamin B complex. I just write down the points here. The uses of microbes. So microbes are required to make curd and bread. So you can say in the bakery products as well as at home we need the microorganism. They also have commercial use. Microbes are commercially it is used. Okay, commercial use in the preparation of wine, alcohol, acetic acid, and yeast is also a rich source of vitamin B complex. Then it is also used in the preparation of medicines, okay, vaccines. Then it will help in keeping the environment clean. And it will also help in maintaining the soil fertility. See, so many uses we have from the microbe. So it is no wonder when we say microorganisms are our friend, right? Without microorganism, our life is very much difficult. It really is very much difficult. If at all we talk about the dead plants and animals. Imagine if the microbes were not there. The entire world would have been filled with dead plants and animals. So isn't it beauty that we have a microorganism with us, right? So we need microbes, right? Now, so far we learned about the uses of microbe. In the next video, let us learn about the harmful microorganisms. So harmful microorganisms are those microorganisms which cause infection in plants, animals and human beings. So next video let us learn about the harmful microbes. Okay.